Yo be ablada bi mi fala nyekemba leken plamane no eko. Kejo na mi your TV na lo your phone name ya lo kwa mi YouTube bia ne nke shida jio no. No ni on bog ben eko meda kaya. Minta makebo. In first video ni fi in video ni fi about some Adjeteyfio about TT taxi driver issue. Make me hear me ni ake ni me hear me wo ina another information ni chon ake in your proof ke pictures link ba chonye e wo ngene member ma channel make me okay ne ne alona akiole ni ne gama bi bemi shimo ngene video nke bo ba gba hisani ma chon bo gama abi na me ji am here po ake ambawal nya wo ya oba mo bote video obacha video no ba olino ko ni makebo ken claimita madabo shi ake o click video no bakwe. If this is your first time coming here, I just want to appreciate you for coming and thank you so much. In today's video, I'm going to share with you there is an ongoing issue with our veteran actor who is called TT, which we affectionately call TT. His name is called Adjeteyfio. Yes. So recently he came out with a plea that he needs people to help him because he's not having a lot of money, has financial challenges and stuff. And he narrated his story based on how he was being cheated during the taxi driver movie that we used to enjoy in late 90s. Fast forward, life goes on and things hasn't been so well for him. So he pleaded for the general public to come to his aid. In my previous video, I shared people who helped him. The Vice President, Dr. Bawumia, gave money, physical cash to him, and also gave him an extra money for upkeeping. And also a lot of people have come on board. If you have not watched my previous video, I'll put the link there so that you check it out and then watch. So many video in the bag basane Volunteer Minister ni Greater Accra Regional Minister ni actually Honorable Henry Quartey. If pledge money pledge if fahinani, he has pledged to help some Adjeteyfio. And the good news is that he is going to pay 1,500 Ghana cedi out of his parliamentary payments or salary to the whole of his term in parliament. So that means TT is going to enjoy or is going to be paid 1,500 for the next 4 years. And he then asks for his bank details so that he can be able to do a standing order so that anytime the money hits his account, it will also reflect in TT's. And I have pictures that I will show to you, which I'll let them slide and for you to see the real evidence. So I have this to share with you. He then wrote a letter, and this is what the letter says. The Greater Accra Regional Minister has responded to the call of the Ga Dangme Youth Association led by the President Nii Ayaafio Tetteh II in request for financial support for the veteran actor, which we know as TT of taxi driver fame. In the minister's statement, he has directed that 1,500 cedis of his parliamentary salary be given to Mr. Samuel Adjeteyfio till the end of his tenure in the 8th Parliament, 7 January 2025. Wow. I like this man so much because for the first time in history, according to me, this is the only minister that we've had so far who don't only sit in his office to enjoy the AC, but always come out on the street and make sure that the things are done rightly. Full of videos trending on social media. One ake hey kumeni isani ake stores ma peme ho ni ejeng ekumofe. He has demolished properties that are placed at the wrong place. Let me say that. Yes, he is really hardworking, and he says that he's making sure that Greater Accra will work again. And I like him so much. Below is a letter of affirmation by the regional minister, which he addressed on 14 September 2021 and addressed to some Adjeteyfio, Ghana Actors Guild, Accra. Dear sir, notice of 1,500 Ghana monthly support. My attention was drawn to the social media appeal emanating from you through Nii Ayaafio Tetteh, President of the Ga Dangme Youth Association, on the request for financial support for your rent. I have been notified of the generous support of His Excellency the Vice President to the tune of 5,000 Ghana cedi being payment for 6 months rent renewable for the next 5 years and 20,000 for your upkeep I am also informed of the kind support of the 5,000 from the Magdan in response to your appeal. So in case if you don't know who Magdan is, Keji Ole Money actually Magdan. And you're sure I can Keji video nene ganyo form of BG definitely only money actually Magdan. So Magdan is a business mogul who has who owned the Magdan Shipping Company and other businesses. He's a Ga Dangme himself and has done a lot to help his society. Inspired by your positive impact. So this is where I read that got me so excited. You see, I always tell people this, that when you are living your life, don't think it's just your life that you are living. Be careful and know how to impact people and also how you deal with people. Be free-spirited person. Ejake ke oke sasanson ke shemo fita o jemba here. Nida no tuo hin tumo ni moni mbeba wo no ke menmo ni opetea de sanlo sumo gbomo. How are people going to help you? Well, taxi driver, those days need fear taxi driver movie. Ofiamo mo asumo sane very jovial. So many people are running and are in a hurry just to help him. So this is one thing that he said in his letter. He says that inspired by your positive impact in the movie and entertainment industry where you distinguished yourself, I have equally decided to support you with a monthly stipend of 1,500 Ghana cedi from my parliamentary salary. I have therefore placed a standing order for the monthly transfer of your account effective September 2021 till the end of my tenure in the 8th Parliament of the 4th Republic. Kindly make detail of your account available to my secretariat to facilitate the smooth transfer. I love this so much. I count on your usual cooperation in this regard for the furtherance of my request. Thank you. Yours faithfully, Honorable Henry Quartey, Regional Minister, Greater Accra Region. You see, I'm so happy. If you are watching this video and you feel like you also want to donate, fine, why not? My previous video that I did. Nina wane ngameji ya ameji ya me shimon inliake mekume ni bia me no mekume fe ni bi yese ni amesumo de mo fe mo ne ke fe ni yesumo nali Ga Dangme he wale yomo ni yoke ha game fe ni ko woji keji okwa video ne bulenche dwemo oblaboy no bi ake te o fe te ko ni wose bon leken sanene akanina she only in share video in previous video ni di nkenklen video I shared it with someone and the person drew my attention on something. I'm not here to do politics, okay? This is what the person says. So after I send the videos out to people to watch, an elderly person who normally watch my video always said to me that so if the vice president is giving and paying 6 months of his rent in advance for 5, is it not the same government according to law that no one is supposed to collect rent for more than 6 months, but it should be at least 3 months or every month? And I was like, I don't want to say much about it. Package you me and you are watching me wherever you are. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. That our own people are aware of this law. So maybe as this opportunity has presented himself, there could have been something for the government to do and come out to announce that the law says no one is supposed to take rent for more than 6 months or 6 months or this duration according to law. So that because there are a lot of people out there who are struggling. Imagine a young boy getting married, see the amount of money you spend, and then you have to go and rent at least not a chamber, a whole self-contained. And the money, no landlord will take 1 year. They are all ready to take at least 2 years and above. Things are really hard this time. But anyway, just something I wanted to share with you. So I just want to thank you so much. As you saw the pictures and you've seen the evidence that yes, people have gone there to fulfill the minister's promise. All that we say is no more wapapa wondaboshi nyuma jobo nyuma wode obon hini onaye ngolenche awuje obo koni onyo channel ni ochunu chuma pakpake ha Ga Dangme. Thank you so much for watching me, and until then I come your way. In case I hear of anything about Ga Dangme or Ghana, I'll definitely share with you. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share this video to any Ga Dangme guy you know, or anyone who speaks and understands Ga, or anyone who wants to learn how to speak the Ga language. You know, the Ga language is not that difficult, but I'm trying to teach people with the little that I know. So stick to this channel and don't forget to subscribe. And also comment, share with me anything you want to talk. Abi, you know, hammerly your comment section. And I know click subscribe button and like it. Then you must say the bell by each side and click on it so that anytime I post a video, you have a notification and be the first person to watch. Until then, I come your way with another video. My name is Nii aka Ga Dangme. Ola Bawo. Peace out.